Now, children, let us start with the chapter in detail. Advertisements draw our attention to various products, describing them positively so that we become interested in buying them. The advertisements are found in several forms: print and electronic media, as well as in hoardings or taxis. This means you might have seen the advertisement. What are they? Basically, they want our attention in a positive manner, and we tend to be interested in the product that the advertisers are advertising. That means they are this means that people, what the people want to show us, we become interested. And after that, advertisements are in different form, like print and electronic media. You might have seen certain ads are being printed about the product in the newspapers, magazine, or in the internet, printed in the magazines, newspapers. While on the other hand, and also in the electronic media, which is through television, we come to know, like a small story they tell us about the product. Then hoardings are the big banners that you see in the market, like, or on the taxis. At times, when you go to the planes or Delhi, there are advertisements on the buses or on the taxis where the product has been described. And these hoardings and on the taxis we find basically for the new products that are coming in the market. Now, advertising is all about building brands. At a very basic level, branding means stamping a product with a particular name of the sign. Products have an associating brand value with which consumers associate themselves. Like if you say Maggie, Maggie belongs to which brand? Nestle. So no matter, even if you will not say Nestle Maggie, whenever the word Maggie comes, that means you are associating this product with the brand Nestle. Then if you say bulb, a light bulb, which company comes to your mind? Either it was Philips or Havells, or even Bajaj in that case. So these are all branding of a particular product. And then you try to associate them yourself with it, like Maggie, Nestle Maggie bulb, Havells bulb, एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है, आप मतलब अपने को उस प्रोडक्ट का एक हिस्सा मानने लगते हो. या वाई वाई कहोगे तो आपके दिमाग में वाई वाई आएगा व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग द रॉ वाई वाई विद द मसाला ऑल मिक्सड इन दैट पैकेट. ओके, now let us come to the next point. All of us are very much familiar with advertisements or ads. Short form of advertisements is ads. It is because we see advertisements everywhere, on television, on street walls, in newspapers, etc. Basically, we associate ourselves in advertisement and become interested. Why? Because we are seeing it everywhere, especially on television, which is a very common mode of common mass media. Then we see on the walls. देखा ना आपने, opposite to the municipal library. So there is again, it is again a street wall. Then in newspapers, at times it is either printed or there is a handbill inside this advertising or informing you about certain thing. Especially when something new is being launched or something new is coming into the market. Advertisements draw our attention to various products and describe them positively in order to impress us. Basically, according to the ads, we get very much captivated on seeing the ad. Why? Because it gives a positive, एक आपको दिमाग में एक आपकी पॉजिटिव इम्प्रेशन क्रिएट करता है प्रोडक्ट. लाइक बॉर्नवीटा, अरे स्ट्रॉन्गर होंगे, हाइट बढ़ेगी, एंड वील बी एबल टू, our immunity will develop. So this is the positive impression that Bonvita is giving to you. Advertising is all about building brands. Now what is advertising? Basically it is building brands, कि कौन कितने अच्छी से अपना प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लॉन्च करता है, उसको कितना हाई दिखाता है. Branding actually means stamping a product with particular name or sign in order to differentiate it from other products in the market. Like Patanjali atta noodle, Nestle, Maggie, Top Ramen. So these are all different style of noodles, and they have been branded by different names like Patanjali, Nestle, Top Ramen. So these are different companies which have the same product but with different names and a bit of difference in quality. Then why do we advertise things? First, advertisement aims to attract attention, then arouse our interest, create desire, and stimulate action. Means, when seeing an advertisement, we are attracted to it. Then, what is the product? We tend to buy it. Then, when we have already bought it, and this creates the desire कि हाँ हमें और खरीदना चाहिए, and this stimulation action is either we'll buy the product in bulk or we will just avoid it. So there are two type of stimulate action. Then now what is this? There are six elements of an advertisement. That is headline, illustration, identification, copy, layout, white space. So this means when a product is being shown, like if you see this ad, okay. So Maggie, this is the headline. 2 minutes is the, again, Maggie is the name of the product. Then what is the headline? 2 minutes it will be ready. Then it is the packaging or the copywriting की कौन सी चीज़ कैसा आएगी, that has been shown. Okay. Then identification. How will you identify? With the name Maggie, Nestle Maggie. And then the layout. How will be the layout of the pack? How is the layout of the packet? कहाँ पे को मैगी लिखा हुआ आएगा, कहाँ पे को मैगी लिखा हुआ आएगा, कहाँ पे 2 minutes लिखा हुआ आएगा. So this is known as copyright. Okay. Then and how much space will be how much space will be will the copyright copy how much size will be there for the space will be occupied by the written material, and how much space, white space means the space that has been left out. So these are all this is all what is done in the copywriting. Now developing print advertisement. Now this is for the product, with why is it advertised and what are the six elements. Now when you are advertising in the print media, that is in a newspaper, what should be there? To communicate successful an ad must firstly attract attention, arouse interest, create desire, and produce action. So this means here stimulate means again produce action. Again, how will you, अगर ऐड देखोगे न्यूज़पेपर में, उसको देख के आपको क्या लगेगा? खरीदना चाहिए, अरे अच्छा दिख रहा है, उसमें इंटरेस्ट जागेगा आपको एडवर्टीजमेंट देख के. Then the desire of buying the product will be arise. Then you will buy the product. So each of the ads key parts must be elementary with the other. So now these are associated with each other. These 4 points are associated with each other. Now in the next video we will do building brands and brand values. Till then, have a good day.